What if one of the greatest RPGs of all time returned to looking better than ever? Oblivion is back and it's stunning. The Elder Scrolls of Oblivion, originally released in 2006, is finally getting the remastered treatment. And PlayStation 5 players are in for a nostalgic thrill ride. Imagine stepping out of the Imperial prison. Sunlight cutting through detailed forests. Shadows dancing off high-raised stone walls. And the creatures of Oblivion more terrifying than ever. The remaster is expected to retain the original game's iconic quests. Factions like the Dark Brotherhood and Thieves Guild. An open-world freedom while enhancing the immersion with next-gen visuals and improved. Whether you're returning to shut the Oblivion gates or experiencing the game for the first time. If you're excited for Oblivion Remastered on PS5, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll keep you updated on every major leak, trailer, and release news.